This video will walk you through cleaning or replacing a spark arrestor on your WEN generator. A dirty spark arrestor is a common cause of engine problems. Keeping the spark arrestor clean helps your engine stay in tip-top shape and make sure it's ready to go when needed. If you need a replacement spark arrestor, you can purchase one from wenproducts.com. Before beginning, make sure the generator's engine and muffler are fully cool. Make sure the engine switch and fuel valve are turned off. Disconnect the spark plug boot. If your generator has a battery, disconnect it. Be careful when working around gasoline and keep sparks and flames away. Make sure to have your owner's manual on hand, as it has specific step-by-step instructions for your particular model. Watch this video fully before beginning work. Step 1. Locate the spark arrestor. It may look different on different models, but is always located on the muffler exhaust tube. Sometimes it's held in by a Phillips head screw on the side of the tube. Other times there's an exterior cover plate or a ring-shaped clamp and screen. Depending on the model, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, wire brush, and combination wrenches. You may also need to remove an access panel or cover plate in order to access the spark arrestor. Step 2. Gently remove the spark arrestor. It's a cone-shaped wire screen and may be covered with black residue. Clean the spark arrestor using a wire brush. If the spark arrestor is damaged, it's best to replace it. Step 3. Replace the spark arrestor in the muffler. Attach it the same way it was attached originally. If you need to reinstall any cover plates, do that before reinstalling any access panels. That's it. If you have any questions about cleaning your spark arrestor, consult your owner's manual for more information, or contact our friendly customer service team. Thanks for watching.
Remember WEN.